win.
I will say one thing with Fatty. I was having trouble on some devices bringing up the website for some reason. I don't know why. But no, I don't know. I'll talk to Dylan about that later and stuff like that. But
yeah, just DM it to me.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. But I mean,
go ahead.
Were you
do it on mobile?
Yeah, no, it was. Yeah, it was on mobile actually. It was on mobile and on a laptop, basically.
Okay. We've just made an update that allows you to log in with an email. So if you're using mobile, my suggestion is to add a burner email to your account, and then because then you don't have to log in via MetaMask on your phone, which probably doesn't work very well. We're getting there. That's an ambitious little piece of work we're doing as well. But yeah, we're doing a lot, and we know people appreciate it because I get very nice DMs from people every day, and no nasty DMs ever. So I intend to keep it that way if I can.
Well, Buck, I sacrificed $50 in your project, bro, and like I need a direct contact with you, bro. Come on.
He needs the white glove. Yeah. He needs to turn left.
Yeah. Man, this is a very silly comment I just saw. I sold all my e-hex for Polstoj. My God, bro. God damn, son. Shit a Pepe for that. That's fuck L, bro.
Did it? Hold on a second.